Hello guys, now we go to page 42. We are going to read the text and we're going to learn about texts, okay? I'll give you 2 minutes to read the text and come back for our Train to Think activity. Pause the video, read the text, and come back. For activity 1 on page 42, we need to choose the best description of this text. What is the purpose of this text? Let's see. Is it an adventure story to entertain the reader? Wow, an adventure story. Well, we're learning about the brain. We're learning about what people believe about the brain. Okay, I don't think it's an adventure story. Is it an ad to sell the reader something? Are we selling any product or service here? No. Is it a magazine article to give the reader information? Yeah, we are learning information about the brain. Is it a letter to persuade the reader to do something? No. We're not persuading, we don't want anybody to do anything, okay? So it's letter C, a magazine article to give reader information about the brain. Okay. And number 2, choose the title that best sums up, that best summarizes the content of each paragraph. There is one extra title. Okay. So 1, 2, 3 paragraphs. And we have an extra one here. So, paragraph 1. What do we learn in paragraph 1? Everybody has a brain, but not many people know how the brain works. Some people believe that the brain is like the hard disk of a computer. We use it to store files, images, language, words, text, sounds, and other data. Others compare the brain to a huge container or cupboard with lots of little drawers, shelves, or boxes in it. We put information in these boxes and hope to find it again later. Number 1, the brain, a fantastic computer. We see something related to computers, but they don't mention computers there. What people believe about the brain, how to make your brain stronger, or our brain is a growing system. Well, some people believe that the brain is like the hard disk of a computer. So this is about what people believe about the brain. So letter B, number 1, paragraph 1 here. The brain is not a computer disk and it isn't a container. Look at the picture here. It looks a little like weeds in a garden, doesn't it? The picture actually shows a child's neocortex, a part of the brain. You can guess what happens? More weeds grow as the child gets older. Scientists call these neuronal networks. The networks grow around our neurons and nerve cells. What makes them grow? Learning. Learning is brain change, says Professor James Zoll from Case Western University in Cleveland, Ohio. Without learning, nothing changes in the brain. For every new word you learn in English class, every puzzle you solve in math, every new song you sing, a neuronal network grows in your brain and brain changes. Okay, so we are talking about how the brain grows, okay? Or let's see. All right, are we talking about how to make our brain stronger or our brain is a growing system? Before we answer, let's go to number 3. The more neuronal networks we grow, the better we can think and the better we remember. Okay, all right, that's interesting. You may wonder if there is anything you can do to make your the networks in your brain grow better. Oh, so number 3 is how we can make our brain stronger, how we can improve our brain. Okay, here's the list. You're interested in what you like in your learning. You are in control of what you learn. You get challenging text that makes you think hard and concentrate. These are the ways you make your brain stronger. So paragraph 3 is letter C. And a description of our brain as a growing system is number 2. So the answer is, in A, we don't mark anything. In B, number 1. Letter C, number 3. And letter D, number 2. Okay? Wow, that's a very challenging one. Good job, guys.